Saturday, March the 22nd, 2025. We're recording this with the Google Pixel 9 Pro or XL, whatever this thing is. It's on the mirror mount. It's pretty shaky. I don't know how good the image stabilization is going to be. We've done some with this Pixel camera, the Google, but it only records for 10 minutes. So this will be a 10-minute video and cuts off. I haven't figured out how to edit and put the stuff together yet. I haven't been able to make that work. They want you to upload in the cloud to use the good editing software, and I don't like putting my stuff in the cloud. I want the stuff to be in the phone and software, editing everything in the phone. But this will give people a view of the Google Pixel 9 XL Pro, whatever it is, the latest one, as a dash cam mounted on a mirror mount, which is not that stable. I don't know what the temperature is right now. I've got it zoomed out to the widest angle. Not sure what the temperature is. Feels like around 65. It's supposed to be going to a little low 70s. Absolutely great spring day. It is 1:14. We've just come from the beer, barbecue, and burnouts back in Jefferson, between Jefferson and Athens on 129. We should be getting a video uploaded of that shortly. We were going to get a hot dog at the Quick Trip, but we didn't. We are hungry. What y'all got for me to eat? I'm hungry. Let's go up here. We'll cross over the railroad track. We did a walk through the woods there, just left here a couple of weeks back. This other video was recorded with the S22 Ultra. We'll be uploading it shortly. I think the video is saved, so we'll start uploading it. It's not a 15-minute video. I wish I had thought to bring the Insta360 while I was videoing that, but I didn't. The burnouts go till 2 o'clock. We could go back. Thing is, I don't have but $8 to get in where I think they're selling the food. It takes 10. They might let me in, and then I don't know if the people that sell the food can take a charge card or not. I should have got some cash yesterday, but I didn't. Riding with Ricky on a spring afternoon. Jefferson's to the right, US 129's to the left down here. And we have a video walking the railroad track down here too. I think we posted it. We may not have posted it. Which way are we going to go? Left or right at 129? What are we going to do? What are we going to do? We got the 10 on and the last post in the shed roof yesterday, but we still got to do the bracing, hurricane straps, joist hangers. We got to build a wood box for firewood. Got to add a door going up to the upstairs in the garage, in the shop. Quite a bit to do yet, and Bob, the helper, has been pulled off to go work on another job. So the shed roof has turned out great. Okay, which way are we going? Left or right? I don't want a Dairy Queen hot dog because we quit carrying the slaw. I wanted a slaw dog and a couple of Dairy Queen twice. And I thought they were just out of the slaw, but no, they quit carrying it. That's the only thing I ever went there for, slaw dog. Too many people on the roads. Can't even get out. Well, I'm going after this next one. It comes just far enough apart. Hungry. What are we going to eat? Only thing to make this a prettier video, I think, would be white puffy clouds. I need a video partner. Someone that jump in this van and ride around the country with me. Help me do video, do research. Swim in rivers, walk the creeks and trails. Management areas, state parks, national forest. Not gonna find many like that, I don't guess. Oh well. Have to be the lone wolf. This video is 7:20. It's going to cut off at 10 minutes. We will caption it, upload it to YouTube. I need to get this other one uploaded to YouTube. That's one good thing about using multiple phones. You can be charging one on the battery when the battery's low. You can be videoing with one. You can be uploading with one or two. All at the same time, as long as you got a decent connection. What do we want to eat? I'm hungry. I guess we could go back to the Dairy Queen. If it's not so crowded, we could get a hamburger. I do like the hamburgers. Okay, 85 is just right up there at that next light, not this one. This is exit 137, I'm pretty sure. North is to the right, Atlanta is to the left. So that, like I said, this is 85, and South Carolina is up there to the right. We're at what, 8:33. I guess we could go ahead and cut this thing off, or I could show you. We might make it across about 10 minutes, make it across 85. But I don't know. It may cut off. You see, I don't know how to stop and start this one and continue it with the video. It puts it in segments to where I haven't learned to edit this stuff yet. This Google Pixel Pro 9 Pro XL that's a good phone, a good camera, real good camera, but I don't know that I enjoy the. I know I don't enjoy the way they've got you editing this stuff. We could go to that flea market over there on the other side. I'm sure that place is packed like sardines. Eat another QT. We could get a hot dog here. Okay, 9:39, almost 9:40. We're going to turn it off. It'll cut off by itself, but we're going to turn it off. We may as well cut it off right now. This will be a wrap.